Welcome to Stock Invest, your daily dose of market insights before the markets open. Today, we are diving into the current state of the United States stock futures, which are showing signs of optimism amid upcoming trade talks. United States stock futures are on the rise, driven by news of a meeting between United States and Chinese representatives. This could potentially ease the trade tensions that have been unsettling global markets. Investors are also closely monitoring the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision. Any clues from the Federal Reserve could signal future policy directions, making this a pivotal moment for the markets. Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ 100 futures are all pointing upwards, reflecting investor optimism. This is a stark contrast to the previous day's declines caused by President Trump's comments on trade negotiations. United States Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is set to meet with Chinese officials, marking a crucial step in rebalancing international economic relations. The outcome of these talks could have significant implications. China has warned against using talks as a means of coercion, maintaining a firm stance against United States pressure. The world watches closely as these two economic giants attempt to navigate their complex relationship. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to keep interest rates unchanged, but all eyes will be on any hints about future policy moves. The Federal Reserve's approach remains cautious amid economic uncertainties. Economic data presents a mixed bag, with a contracting gross domestic product but strong consumer spending and a resilient labor market. These factors add layers to the Federal Reserve's decision-making process. Federal Chair Jerome Powell's press conference is anticipated to provide more insights into the central bank's stance. Any comments on the Federal Reserve's independence could also be noteworthy given recent political pressures. In corporate news, Advanced Micro Devices has announced strong second-quarter revenue guidance, beating Wall Street expectations. However, new United States export restrictions to China present challenges. AMD anticipates a substantial hit to its sales due to these export curbs, but Chief Executive Officer Lisa Su remains optimistic about future artificial intelligence chip revenue growth. The market response to this news could be telling. Today also brings earnings reports from major companies like Uber, Disney, and ARM Holdings. These results will provide a snapshot of how different sectors are performing amid broader economic trends. Gold prices have slipped as the announcement of United States-China trade talks boosts risk appetite. This shift highlights the delicate balance between market optimism and the demand for safe havens. Meanwhile, oil prices are climbing, distancing themselves from recent lows. Strong demand in the United States and hopes for trade resolution are contributing factors to this upward momentum. United States crude stock data from the American Petroleum Institute showed a decline, indicating robust demand. The Energy Information Administration's official figures later today will be closely watched. Stay tuned to StockInvest for real-time updates and expert analysis throughout the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.